This is the dirtiest fridge in the world, and everyone called the girl stupid for trying to clean it. But the final result is just crazy. This house has been abandoned for years, but the girl was paid $7,000 to repair it. It was once owned by a famous singer who died recently, and the home must now be cleaned before it can be sold. It smelt so bad inside, and even the air was burning her eyes. You won't believe what it looks like when she's finished. But first, quick, which would you save from the bus? Press subscribe to save the puppy, comment a lot of hearts to save the kitten, or do everything, and press the like button to save them both. And in the end, she turned the house from so dirty to squeaky clean.